Hi guys, first of all I was trying to think of a different introduction to the video. It's kinda got boring, so I want to do my introduction. So we have the two lens system with diverging lens. So we have this diverge and this converge lens. And before you do any problem like this, just draw your thing here, everything here, and put your numbers on it. Okay, so the first question is they want the x-coordinate of the image of the arrow formed by the first lens. So we know that this is diverging, right? So what is the focal point? The focal point is going to be negative. Why it's negative? It's because the focal point should be on the other side of the lens. Because when you see a lens that's here and light's coming this way, it should just refract it on some direction. Okay, but no, the image will be virtual. Okay, that's why, because the focal point is on the other side of what it's supposed to be. Okay, so let's do 1 over f equal 1 over s plus 1 over s prime. Okay, so the f is 1 over 17.8 negative equal 1 over the s is the distance between the object and the mirror or the lens, which is 40.4 plus 1 over s prime. So 17.8 negative 17.8 plus 40.4 to the negative 1, the answer. So we get, is that right? Oh, I did something wrong here. They should add, when you take this one to the other side, they should add. I'm stupid. So minus 17.8 plus, I'm doing it again. So minus 40.4 to this, something, you'll get negative 12.35. The negative means that the image will be on the other side where it's supposed to be. So because it's a lens, then the object should be on this side, but this is diverging, so it's on this side. That's why this is negative, because it's on the other side that it's supposed to be. The same thing for the focal point. That's why we say it's negative. It makes life easier to think that way. So number 2, what is y1? The y coordinate. Okay, so let's do h prime over h equal minus s prime over s, and then we need to find h prime, which is minus, and then the h they give to us, which is 3.3, and the s prime is negative 12.35 divided by the s is positive 40.4, right? So times negative 13.3 divided by 40.4, and you'll get 4.067. 4.067. Okay, and you see it's positive because the diverging lens will form an object that's going to be around here, right? Okay, so number 3. Number 3 is what is the focal point of the second lens? Okay. So we know that it's a converging lens, and we got an object that is minus 12, like to this side here. So the distance between the object, which is the image from the first lens, okay, now it's the object for the second lens. So to get this distance, we need to add this, if it was here, do we got 12? So yeah, the image will be around here, okay. So this is the distance. From here to here it's 12.35, and from here to here is 28.5. So you're gonna add them. So 12.35 plus 28.5. Okay. And what did I get? I got, I think, 40.85. Okay. So now this is the distance between the new object and the converging lens. So this is going to be, which is S. So 1 over F equal 1 over S is 40.85 plus, now the S prime will be x3 minus x1, okay, because they gave us the x3, which is from here to here, the whole thing, and we only want between the lens and the object here, between the lens and the image. So you got a minus x3 minus x2, okay, and then you'll get the S prime. So S prime is equal to x3 minus x2. Okay, then you'll get this guy. And S prime for me was 33.9. Just 1 over 33.9. And the focal point says it's converging, so my guess it's going to be positive. Not my guess. Don't be smart. That's stupid. 40.85 plus 1 divided by 33.9. 1 divided by the answer. So it's 18.52. 18.52. Okay. And the focal point is positive because the converging, any light that's coming this way, it's going to converge into the focal point. Okay. And that's why it's positive, because it's where it's supposed to be. But the mirror, when you do a mirror like this one, see, the light should come to the side of where the object is. But when it is, I think this is diverge. Yeah, no, this is the diverge, this is the converge mirror. Okay, so it's gonna form on this side. That's why it's negative. Okay, I might make a video on how to or compare them. Anyway, let's finish this. They want the y3. Okay, let's do the same. H prime over H equal S prime over S. Okay, so they want the H prime, which is the height. Now the height we're using is the height, this height here, right? Because now this is the object for the new lens, for the other lens. So yeah, it's 4.067, forget the negative. And then the S prime, which is positive, we got this guy. The S prime was the 33.9, and then the other one is the 40.85. Right? Yeah. Alright, let's plug in that. 4.067 times 33.9 divided by the 40.85, so it's 3.37. 37 to forget the negative. You can see that I'm gonna answer the fifth question while doing this. So say this is the focal point. This is focal point for each one. So this is diverge, right? Diverge lens. So the light will go like this, right? So it form an image that's here, and then going to the converge one, and then see, that's why it's for number 5. It's inverted and virtual. I think it's virtual because the first when the object was like when the first image produced, it was virtual, so I guess everything after this will be virtual. That's my guess. I'm not sure. Alright guys, I hope this helped. Don't forget the smiley face. Like the video if it helped. And tell your friend, it might help them too. Good luck guys. Bye.